Hello viewers, how are you doing? My name is Samtoko Mambo from Music Corner. I am going to be teaching you a song today. I'm going to be teaching you Bvumbamira by Jah Prayzah. That's a famous common Zimbabwean song, and I'm going to be teaching you how to play the keyboard and the Mbira on that song. So let's get right into it. Hello Zimbabwe, so this is what you do when you're playing this song on the Mbira. These are going to be your notes. So we'll start with the second one from your left, the third one from your right, and then you play the third note on the top row, like that. Then we go to the fourth one from your right and the third one from your left, and then we go like that. Then we go to the fourth one from your left to the first one on your right, then back to the second one from your left to the third one from your right. Then this one stays here. Then we go to the first one from your right, then the second one, then the third one. So on the first chord, this is what Jah Prayzah was playing, or Jah Prayzah's keyboardist was playing. They played F sharp, which is number 1, then they go to number 4, then they go to number 3, and then they use number 1 on the left side. Then they go to number 2, then they go back to number 4, then number 3 on your left, and then 1 on your right, then number 1 again, then 1, then a 5 on your right side, and then a 2 on your left side, and back to a 1. So like this. I'm gonna play it again. Again, like that. So this is how you play this song on your keyboard. So on this song that I'm going to be teaching you, we have done another tutorial on guitar already. So I'm going to drop the link in the description, so that when you want to learn, if you want to learn how to play the acoustic guitar for that song, you are going to learn from that particular tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed that tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope you really learned how to play the song. Give us your comments. Put more comments in the comment section, and tell us what you want to learn. Tell us what you think we should improve with our lessons, and I hope you're learning. We love you guys.